Long before computers existed, one woman imagined them in her mind, and what she wrote in the 1800s would later become the foundation of modern programming. But for most of history, her name was almost forgotten. Her name was Ada Lovelace. She was born in 1815 in England, the world where women were rarely allowed into science or mathematics. Her mother pushed her toward mathematics, hoping to prevent her from becoming like her father, the poet Lord Byron. But what no one expected was that Ada would combine logic and imagination in a way the world had never seen. Everything changed when she met Charles Babbage. He was designing a machine called the analytical engine, a mechanical device that was supposed to calculate numbers automatically. Most people saw it as just a calculator, but Ada saw something else. She did not just see a machine that calculated. She saw a machine that could think in steps, and that idea was completely ahead of its time. Ada began studying the machine deeply. While others focused on numbers, she focused on possibilities. She asked a question no one else asked. What if a machine could follow instructions, not just compute answers? She started writing detailed notes, explaining how the machine could process not only numbers, but symbols, patterns, even music. In other words, she described something that did not yet exist, a computer. In 1843, Ada translated a scientific paper about Babbage's machine. But she did not just translate it. She added her own notes, longer than the original text itself. In those notes, she wrote what is now considered the first algorithm ever created for a machine, a step-by-step method for a machine to calculate a complex mathematical sequence. Today, that is recognized as the first computer program in history. At the time, almost no one understood her ideas. The analytical engine was never fully built, and Ada's work was mostly ignored for decades. But her vision survived, because what she described is exactly how computers work today. Every program, every app, every digital system still follows the same idea she wrote in her notes. Step-by-step instructions for a machine. Ada Lovelace died at only 36 years old. She never saw a real computer. She never saw the world she helped create. But her mind reached further into the future than almost anyone in her time. And today, she is recognized as the world's first computer programmer. Sometimes, the most powerful inventions are not machines, they are ideas. And Ada Lovelace proved something timeless, that imagination can see the future long before it exists.